Do, ladies and gentlemen, right here is the little lilac tribe's brother. Like I told you, man, he's super short to the ground. Same age, around 7 to 8 weeks old. He's ready to go. Both of them had their first shots. If you're interested, he's 3.5K. If you're interested, you can text me at 270-317-1952 to lock him in. He's ready to go. Located in Kentucky. You're more than welcome to come pick him up in person. ABKC paper. His sire and dam are both pocket. His pedigree consists of 2X Grand Champion El Toro, 4X Grand Champion Futuristic, 2X Grand Champion Dirty Bird, 1X Champion Lucky Luciano, and 1X Spartacus 2. What else I gotta say? He's gonna be something special, man. I can already tell. He's super short to the ground. He's super tiny. I accept deposits through Cash App only. What else? I'm trying to think what other information I need to. If you need shipping, it's an extra $5.50. I'm located in Kentucky. But yeah, man, he's nice. He's nice. Got a big old head on him too. He's got a real short back. Oh yeah. For those that don't know, man, Red Bull has done his thing. I bred Red Bull to his niece on this litter, so I'm expecting greatness out of him, out of all of them. But he's definitely something special, that's for sure. If you're interested in locking him in, you can text me at 270-317-1952. He's ready to go now. This little booger. She don't want in there. That short back. I get a side of him. Go Bully King, baby. Signing off.